Good morning, students. I hope all of you are safe. In the previous lesson, we have studied about the process of nutrition in animals, that it include the 5 stages: ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and egestion. We also discussed the nutrition in amoeba. Now, in today's lesson, we are going to study the nutrition in humans. So, let's begin the lesson. Nutrition in humans. As compared to an amoeba, the whole process of nutrition in human is a complex one. The food passes through a number of organs in the body that form the alimentary canal. So what is alimentary canal? Alimentary canal is a tube that extends from the mouth and ends with the anus. The first process is ingestion. And what is ingestion? As we have discussed earlier, ingestion is the process of intaking the food, or the food is taken into the body through the mouth and is chewed. Since we are discussing here the nutrition in humans, so the mouth is the organ through which we take the food in, and through the process known as ingestion, we know we have different types of teeth which help us in breaking down food into smaller pieces. So we will study about the types of human teeth. What are those different types of the human teeth? As you can see in the figure given, first one is incisor, canine, premolar, and molar. Clear? Now you can see the different shapes of the different teeth, and different shapes are associated, or you can say accompanied, with the functions of the different types of the teeth. So we'll discuss their functions and structures. Types of teeth. First one is the incisors. Incisors are also called the binding teeth. They are flat, blade-like teeth. These are 4 front teeth at the middle of each jaw. They are chisel-shaped and used for biting and cutting. So what is the function of the incisors? The function of the incisor is to cut the food. The incisors are the front teeth and also so called because they help to cut the food. So what is the function for biting and cutting the food, and what is the shape of the incisor? They are chisel shaped, or they are flat blade like teeth. As you can see in this picture, this is the incisor. They are the blade flat like teeth. Now the second types of teeth is canines. They are also called tearing teeth. They are present. Where they are present? They are present on either side of the incisors in each jaw. They are pointed in shape and are used for tearing food. So they are known as tearing teeth. They have sharp edges and help to tear the food. As you can see in the picture, this is the picture of canine. So you can see this is the tearing teeth. They have the sharp edges. Can you see? They are having the sharp edges, and that helps to tearing the food. Hence, it is known as tearing teeth. Clear? Okay. Now we are moving to the premolars. Premolars, there are 2 premolars on each side of the canines in each jaw. They help in crushing and grinding the food. So what is the function of the premolars? They help in crushing and grinding the food. And what is the shape of the premolars? They have broader surfaces. They have, can you see here? They have the broader surfaces, and each, there are 2 premolars and each on a side of the canines in each jaw. Clear? So now we are moving to the last type of teeth, that is the molars. These are the large back teeth. Clear? So these are the last 3 teeth on each side in each jaw. They have a broad, uneven surfaces or finer crushing and grinding. We know that the premolars are also help in crushing and grinding the food, but for the finer crushing and grinding, molars are there. So what is the you can see here the molars, they have the large back teeth. They have the wide surfaces, broad surfaces used to grind and crush the food. Clear? So here we have come through the different shapes of the teeth along with their functions. Now we are moving towards the sets of the teeth. We are having the 2 sets of the teeth. Humans develop 2 sets of the teeth in their lifetime: the temporary set and the permanent set. The temporary sets have 20 teeth. They are also called milk teeth. Around the age of 6, the milk teeth start falling out, giving away to permanent teeth. Clear? So how many number in there? 20 teeth is there. So what are permanent set? The permanent set, there are 32 teeth, 16 in each jaw. In the upper jaw there is 16 teeth, in the lower jaw that is 16 teeth. Total 32 teeth are there. Teeth is there in the human being. There are 4 incisors, 2 canines, 4 premolars and 6 molars in each jaw, and the dental formula is 2 1 2 3. Means 4 incisors, 2 in one jaw and the 2 in the another jaw, upper jaw 2, lower jaw 2, so 4 in total. 2 canines in one in upper jaw, 2 canines are there, 4 premolars and 6 molars in jaw. The total is the 32 teeth are there. 4 plus 2 6 plus 4 10 plus 6 16. So 16 in one jaw and 16 in another jaw. So total 32 teeth is there in the permanent set. You can see in the picture the types of the teeth. There you can see that what? These are 2 incisors here, 2 incisors. Canines just on the side of the incisor, one canine here, one canine here. The total 1 2 3 4 canines are there. Then premolars are there here, 2 premolars, 2 1 2 3 and 3 molars in each jaw. 2 1 2 3 2 1 2 3. If you are taking the half portion of the jaw, then here 2 incisors, 1 canines, 2 premolars and 3. So 2 1 2 3 is the dental formula. So in this way we can find that there are 32 teeth in the permanent set. Now tongue. The tongue is a fleshy muscular organ present in the mouth. It is attached at the back or to the floor of the buccal cavity. The tongue, what are the functions of the tongue? The tongue helps in manipulating food with chewing. It helps in tasting the food, since it has the sense organ taste buds like the sour, salty, bitter and sweet. It helps in mixing the water secretion with the food, help in the mixing of the food, helps in cleaning the teeth and also helps in speaking. So these are the different functions of the tongue. So we have come across with the types of the teeth and the tongue that is involved in the process of ingestion. Thank you.